Hello friends, welcome to the second chapter of this course. In this chapter we will learn how to model a simple beam, and we'll also learn how to apply the load to the beam and analyze the beam and see the results of the analysis. So let's move on. As I told you in the previous chapter, so do a configuration if you haven't done. So after you have done the configuration as per your country or as per your requirement, so click on new project over here. So let's click on new project. So we'll choose the space option from here, and let us name this as the beam practice. So choose any appropriate location in your hard disk. Choose the length of the unit that you are comfortable with. So I'll choose the meter option. Also choose the unit of the force that you are comfortable with. So I'll choose the kilonewton option over here. So after that, click on next. So use the add beam option over here. The explanation of this option you can get over here if you want to read. So as I told you in the previous chapter, so add beam option is used if you want to draw a frame. So beam is also a part of the frame, so that is why we will use this option. So after that, click on finish. You will get this window over here. Just close it. There are few things that you need to know before you actually go into the modeling. Here you can see the axis that is used in the modeling. So let me explain this axis. Here we saw that we got the axis as, in this direction we got X, in this direction we got Z, and in the upward direction we got Y. So you can choose Z direction in the upward as well. Here in this direction, so this is the origin, and to the right of the origin we got positive X, and on the left of the origin we got negative X. So this is the negative X. Okay. Similarly, we got Z positive in this face, so that is the face that is coming towards you from the screen of your laptop or your computer, and the axis that is going away from you, that is the negative axis, negative Z. Similarly, upward axis is the positive Y, and the downward axis is the negative Y, negative Y. Alright, this here is the origin.